Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Unity Car. The 2025 Renault Captur has turned heads the moment it arrived. Its very first look touches the heart, like a brand new star has landed on Earth. This new design is so stunning that it feels like a luxury concept car has been brought to life on the streets. Renault has completely redesigned the Captur this time. From the front grille to the rear tail lights, everything is simply outstanding. Talking about the front, the new grille is now bolder and more aggressive, giving the SUV a commanding presence. The next general LED headlights are razor sharp and look like blades ready to slice through the dark. If you ever see the Captur approaching in the night, that moment will stay with you forever. The bonnet cuts and side character lines give the car a muscular appearance. The entire side profile is so clean and crafted, it looks like a piece of art painted by a true artist. The aerodynamic design in this 2025 version doesn't just make it beautiful, it also boosts its performance. This is an SUV, but it's so stylish that it easily competes with luxury cars. It comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, designed in a way that when the car moves, light dances around the rims. Even from the back, this car has left no stone unturned. The rear tail lights now feature a new 3D signature design that sets Captur apart from every other SUV. Even from behind, it looks so elegant that you feel like just staring at it again and again. The black roof, dual-tone contrast, and a touch of chrome all combine to deliver a flawless design. Now here's a question for you. Do you think the 2025 Renault Captur's exterior design can beat all other SUVs in the market? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's see who gives the most powerful reply. Captur has a rich history too. When it first entered the market, it quickly became famous for its stylish design and the convenience of a compact SUV. The 2025 model is a modern reflection of that same success. If we're only talking about the exterior, the Captur is a masterpiece from every angle. Not only does it look amazing, but it also demands attention on the road, turning heads wherever it goes. So if you're into cars that blend beauty with power, ignoring the Renault Captur would be a mistake. And before you go, if you love watching viral and exciting car videos like this, stay connected with Unity Car, because every video here will touch your heart and fuel your passion. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and take care.